Hi guys, it is thrift haul time once again, and it's good. It's good. If you're into boho, it's good. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first up is this little vase. It looks like a very high-end piece. First of all, I love like the distressed look, like it looks aged, even though you know it's clearly not. But also, I just love the shape of it too. Like I feel like this is very in these days where you have the wider opening and then a smaller bottom. So the fact that I picked this up was pretty amazing. I was so happy I did. This one was $5.99, by the way. It's so gorgeous. So really happy I picked this up. Next up, I'm most definitely sure that this is a planter. Yes, this is a plated oval planter. So got that right. I really loved kind of like the texture on it though. It's definitely raised and got ridges and everything like that. This one was $4.99, which I thought was a pretty good price for this. So cute, and I think any plant would actually look good in it. Okay, next up, you might look at this and say, why? If you can't tell what it is, like it took me a minute to actually see what this was, but it is the top of a pen, even though pen decor is not my thing. Yes, the pen tip is a little weird. I don't know, maybe I would just take this off and kind of have it on a shelf somewhere just as is, and then use this to put something else on. But I will say, you don't find them. I mean, at least I don't see pen shaped decor often. Probably a reason for that. Oh snap, okay. I feel bad now. Here I am dissing on this, and this is actually from Pottery Barn. This one was $4.99, so yeah. Sorry, Pottery Barn. No offense. Okay, next up is this little frame. So I just picked up this frame. It's nothing special, obviously, but it does have that light wood that I'm always going for when it comes to like decor. Now that I know what my style is, I'm really trying to grab elements where I can actually marry them together. And so like light wood frames are something that I feel I can easily pick up, that I can kind of just put in every room. So yeah, this one was $1.99, so I figured why not. So next up is this little tiny Trinket Dish. And one of the things that drew me to it is the fact that it feels like it was hand painted, and then it's got like these lines on it, which I assume are like stems, and then painted flowers on it, which are like just dots on it. So I really thought it was really cool, and it was 99 cents, but I will say that it was just so cute that I was just like, I'm gonna get it. Okay, next up is another lamp. So I picked this one up. Pretty sure this one is from Target originally. This one was only $4.99. This will definitely be a thrift flip for me. I will definitely color this different. I already have some ideas on what I want to do with this one, but considering it's only one lamp, I'm not sure if I should go bold or kind of keep it simple and elegant. Also, I have not tested it out, so we're gonna test that out right now. Ooh, wow, need a second for my eyes to adjust. So, I'm gonna share with you now my favorite piece that I got. As I'm holding it right now, I'm sure you can't see it, but this is an insane piece. First, let's talk about the price. This huge thing was $1.99. I don't know why. Like, it's broken right here, as you can see, but like, man, that's still an amazing price for this. So this is hand carved. You can tell that it's hand carved, and on it, it's got rhinos and elephants. Like, it is gorgeous. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I would find this at the thrift store. So I'm really excited about this one. This is amazing. So another score that I got at my Old Faithful thrift store were wall baskets. I know I shouldn't be so excited about wall baskets, but like, honestly, every time I go, I have never found wall baskets, and I've been so obsessed with wall baskets as like wall decor. And so the fact that I finally found them, I'm just like, I'm not even joking, I'm hyped. They were all 99 cents. So again, Old Faithful coming through. Next up is this really cool and funky jewelry box. Now this one was $4.99, and I'm pretty sure I got this at the Bougie thrift store, but I was really drawn to the carving in it. I just really love the design. I don't know what it reminds me of, but I just really thought like, okay, I want it. But yes, $4.99. more than happy to pay for such a very unique and interesting piece. Next up is this little jug, and this one was, oh wow, it was $4.99. Gosh, I don't even remember. I was drawn to it because it really does kind of give me like boho vibes. I really love like the earth tones that are coming out of this, and it looks like on this it's like painted stripes on it, and then the middle design kind of looks like it's painted fish. So very interesting, still really cool and gorgeous nonetheless. Even though it was $4.99, I will say that I'm still really happy that I bought this one. Next up, we have this frame. It's like an old style oval frame. The reason why I picked this up is because I've seen on Pinterest just like frames, like old style frames like this with like pressed flowers. It's just the frame and the glass, like there's no backing, and so it's just a gorgeous kind of setup like up against a white wall or something like that. So I really wanted to try my hand at that, so I was happy to pick this one up for $2.99. Next up is this little cute vase. It's almost like that amber brown color. Yeah, I really love the color. It's a ceramic. I don't know if it was handmade, but it is so cute. And this one was only 99 cents too, so yeah, a definite buy. And last but not least is this little cute ceramic. So this was handmade. It was just really cute. I love like the fact that it almost looks like a dipped ceramic. So it's got the dark color on top, and on the bottom is the natural ceramic color. So I thought that was really interesting. It's not something that you see every single day, and it's just very cute. This wasn't 99 cents, by the way, so I was happy to pick this one up. But yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna find a place for this. Yeah. Alright guys, that is it for the thrift haul today, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like thrift hauls and thrift hauls are your thing, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I post home decor and DIY content. I do a ton of thrift hauls because I cannot help myself. And so if that's your vibe and that's something that you're into, definitely make sure you're subscribed and you hit that little notification bell so you're in the know when I post again. But I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!